Hello everyone! I'm here. Nandito na ako sa Japan and thank you so much to all my friends in Philippines that I meet. Mama Carmen, thank you so much. Stella Nagay, thank you so much. And Stella, brother, and sister, na hinayaan nila na si Mami na makasama ko sa mga meeting. And then madate ko si Mami Carmen Ocampo. Thank you so much. And then, of course, Zarena, I love our night date. Oh my god, my eyes have full of vitamins on that night. And thank you so much, girl. I love you, girl, and always take care of yourself. And to all my Amway family in Philippines, thank you so much. And yes, for how many days I'm there, have so many, I have so many, I think, it's not a challenge because I used to it because I'm a Filipina. So, hindi ako dayuhan sa aking bayan. So, nasubukan ko na ring sumakay ng MRT and then, ah, parang dahan-dahan nasanay na rin ako sa Manila. Even though, Quezon, from Makati, kaya ko nang pumuntang mag-isa. And then, talagang North EDSA, nakapagpasyal-pasyal na rin ako doon. And then, talagang I feel more okay dahil si Ate Zini din, she's so very busy. And thank you so much Ate Zini, and to Ate Zini family too, na talagang welcome na welcome ako sa family ni Ate Zini. I love you Ate Zini, thank you so much, and I love you and always take care. I love you Ate Zini, really. And yes, and then last night sinundo ako ng asawa ko dun sa airport, and then dumaan muna ako sa Taipei, and then yes, talagang I feel very happy meeting all my family in Philippines. But I feel sad because actually I want to do the demonstrations of the product there, but it's so sad dahil yung demo kit ko I misplaced anywhere on somewhere out there. So hindi ko nagawa, but I'm very sorry for that. But my mentor Mr. Akihiko Nagata and Miss Kiko and